We have a question from Bangladesh. Brother is asking, if I forget to make the intention for fasting before Fajr, is my fast valid? And if I remember during the day and then make the intention, is then my fast valid?
So there's a famous hadith which the scholars differ on its authenticity. The hadith Imam al-Nasa'i narrated that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, hadith Fatima, the Prophet said, "Man lam yujmi' as-siyama qabla al-fajr fala siyama lahu." This hadith, as we mentioned in our explanation of Bulugh al-Maram, يعني لا يصح مرفوعا. The hadith is not sahih marfu'. يعني it's not authentic that the Prophet said this. أما من لم يبيت الصيام قبل الفجر فلا صيام له. It's not authentically attributed to the Prophet عليه الصلاة والسلام. لكن Hafsa and her brother Abdullah ibn Umar, both of whom said this. And they were not, no one disagreed with them, Hafsa and Abdullah ibn Umar, regarding this. What does hadith mention? The hadith mentions that the person who is fasting, the obligatory fasting, such as Ramadan, they have to have the intention the night before that, okay? And if they don't have it, there's no fasting for them that day, okay? So the person, if he doesn't come with an intention the night before, then that day they cannot consider it as a fasting, okay? As for if it's a voluntary fasting, the person can start their fasting within the daytime if they want to. And even that is not agreed upon. Some scholars, they say that you can't. They still believe it's obligatory for you to have the intention the night before, but there's a difference of opinion on that matter. Ala kullin, whatever the case may be, if the person wakes up for suhoor, that is the intention already there. The intention isn't a special thing that you need to say. All it just means is that you know before you go to sleep that you're going to be fasting tomorrow. You have that intention in your heart. Or you wake up for suhoor, even if you miss your suhoor. But when you went to sleep, did you sleep with the conscious? Did you sleep with the decision of fasting tomorrow? Yes. Then you have your intention. There isn't any specific thing that you need to say or vocalize.